You have 10 a.m. red folder. And then Trump speaks later. So we shall see. We shall see what happens. Any clue why we dumped? So I think that Microsoft said something about them wanting to like short AI in a sense. I think I saw. They said I saw Microsoft lowers AI software sales quotas. I don't know. Basically, some bearish thing on AI, and obviously the whole market right now is kind of propped up on AI, so not the best look, but that's why I'm pretty sure. Brody, can you send me the link whenever you get the chance, please? So today, I mean, it seems like we're gonna get this low at some point at 41450. And then we also have previous day low at 324.75. ES is previous day low at 812.25. We have more lows at 805 and 802 on ES as well. These are stacked hourly lows. And then eventually this low down here, 787 if we ever get down there. But let's see. All right, market's about to open. 15 seconds. Let's see. I kind of wanted to see us rebalance, which we are getting here back into like this range before heading lower. All right, market just opened up. I did want us initially just inverse this 1 minute gap and go lower, but let's see. Let's see if we get it. Looks like it's like holding right here. So yeah. Let's see what market gives us. Probably going to wait till later in the day to run that low, if I had to guess. We have 10 a.m. red folder news as well. Okay, we just rebalanced to equilibrium on ESN and Q. Let's see if we get a reaction around here. Inside of this 15-minute bearish gap as well. Held this 30-second gap on the close. Let's see what happens here. Looks like it doesn't want to go lower just yet. We'll see. Yes, looks like it's stronger and is holding NQ up for now. If ES lets up, probably fall lower. Otherwise, we might just grind higher a little bit back into the range. Let's see what we get. Looks like we're holding. It doesn't look like it wants to fall just yet. Hopefully we could start getting some displacement lower. That would be nice. But otherwise, it looks like price is kind of holding. Otherwise, it would have probably given up by now. And ES is about to take out that high. Want to see this thing start displacing lower personally. I want lower prices, but may not want it yet. Yes, looks like it's holding on, so need that to give up in order for us to start falling. We're holding right around this 482.50 level, which is the weekly open I have marked out. So we want to see us, if we want to go lower, we're going to have to see, some speed through that low. Yeah, as of right now, we're bouncing at the level. We're holding at that level right here. Yeah. I want to see it give it up. Personally, I want to see lower. Looks like it's holding it here, though. We'd want to see displacement through here in order to see lower prices. All right, well, we did sweep that low. I do want to see us continue, but looks like we're being bought up here, which is not a good sign if we want to see lower. Retesting the weekly open. I want to see it reject. Otherwise, if we get a strong close above, we'll probably just fly. Yeah, probably just going to rip higher now. We do have an SMT at the high. I would like to see it hold. That would be nice. But it looks like market wants to go higher. Let's see. I'd like to see it dump here. Just strong down close candle would be nice, but I think market probably wants to go higher if it doesn't get it here. Because it's holding this little 30-second in volume imbalance. Probably make the next leg up, even though we have the SMT. If we want to see lower, it's got to displace here. Otherwise, we're going to make another leg up. Stalling here, which is not what we want to see, right at that weekly opening level again. And it's holding it still. Want to see it. You got to close below barely, so I'm not convinced. But I want to see it displace lower here. Just ES is stronger and it's just kind of grinding higher, so that's dragging NQ up with it. Otherwise, NQ is definitely weaker and wants to fall. Yeah, it looks like it's going to rip higher. Unless we get some sort of bearish reaction with some solid volume to the downside. Yeah. It's going to make that push higher now, probably. I want to see displacement lower now with speed. I want to see a solid downsized candle here. And that'll probably tell me that we want lower. Okay. All right. That's a decent 30-second candle. But let's see how this 1 minute closes. If it bounces right up, we're probably going to go higher. I want to see how this 1 minute closes. I want to see it close strong to the downside. All right, 1 minute close below the weekly open, but still no displacement to the downside. ES still isn't breaking lower. We're probably going to make a higher high. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised either. But I want to see us break lower. Personally, I do think that previous day low is the draw. It just seems like market doesn't want to go lower yet. I mean, look at it. It's trying, but just not ready yet. Looks like ES is getting a little weaker. Oh, I guess not. How does they say that? It looked like it was getting a solid down, solid wick to the upside, down close candle, but looks like it said nope and it's breaking to the upside. I would love to see ES get weak here, to be honest. But it looks like NQ might just be playing catch up now. See, I want to see a strong 1 minute close to the downside on this 1 minute candle. That'd be nice. Doesn't look like it's going to happen. Yeah, nope. Want to see it attack these lows. ES is finally starting to, I guess never mind. It looked like it wanted to make, some newer lows, but now NQ's bouncing off it, off that weekly open, which is not what we wanted to see if we want to see lower. Right? It looks like we just keep bouncing on NQ as of right now, off like that weekly open area around 482.50. We want to see a solid candle closure below if we want to run lower. Doesn't look like it wants lower anymore, to be honest. I mean, I would have thought as ES was getting a little weaker that maybe we would go get it, but just need that weekly open is just like that's the support right here. If we lose that with speed, I mean, there's no reason why we shouldn't make the next leg down, in my opinion. We're not getting that displacement that we need. It's crazy. See, we get one good candle close. It looks like we're going to get some volume to the downside. Then boom, shit gets bought right back up right away. We just need to see that kind of fall now. We don't want to see it get bought back up right away, and we want to see that fall towards previous day low, and maybe we could get some movement in price. But see what I mean? It just keeps getting hammered back up. Need to see some speed here down into that low. Then maybe we get it. Like some serious displacement, not this teetering around, bullshit kind of, see? Because then it just gets bought back up. And then it's going to return right back. Probably come higher now. Like, you need to see it just lose it with some speed. Displacement to the downside. That's what we want. Displacement to the downside. Want lower when all the lows are high resistance liquidity? Well, I personally think previous day low is the draw, at least on ES. Look how close we are. And look at the dump. We had a catalyst kind of pushing us lower, so I would expect to see us go get previous day low. We already have S&T at previous day high, so that's my reasoning. I mean, to be honest, it doesn't look like we want it because we probably would have started displacing towards it. Unless we're waiting for 10 a.m. red folder news. But, I mean, just the reactions we're getting, even after we get it, like a close below the weekly open, we're not getting it. And it looks like we just keep getting bought back up, unfortunately. See, even that, we get a solid candle to start that opening candle. Like the candle opens, starts flushing lower, even takes out a low. But then look at it, then it flips all the way back up. It's like if we were truly bearish, we shouldn't be doing that. It should just run it. So that makes me think we're going to end up running back higher, which is not what I want to see personally, but it probably will. Like there's just no follow through. I want to see like speed down. We're just getting a bunch of wicks, which is not what we want. Looks like ES is starting to finally get a little bit weaker here. It's starting to break under some lows. We just need to see NQ follow now. Otherwise, it's just going to get bought right back up, right? Okay. Want to see this candle? There we go. Let's see a strong candle close now. Okay. We want a strong candle closure. Don't want to see it wick here. Want to see it go attack these lows right now. But it's stalling. See, that's not what we want. Don't want to see, that is not what we wanted to see. Now it's going to run back higher, right? Now it's going to, so crazy, man. So crazy. They edge it. They edge it. They edge my DP. They come all the way down and then they run it back higher. They're going to stop me out because I had to trail my stop to manage my risk. And then they're going to run it, right? It's exactly how it's going to go. Honestly, unbelievable. It's going to rip right. And I'm about to get stopped out at my trailed stop right here. And stopped out. That, like, I mean, I don't even know, bro. That's just fucked, you know. I don't even know. I didn't lose much on that because I trailed my stop, obviously. So, just super unfortunate. I mean, I really wouldn't be surprised if it comes back down now. Like, just, oh my God, that's clipped. It's kind of clipped. That's stupid, but whatever. I really want us to at least run the low. I mean, on one of the pairs, like at least on one. See, like now, if we come down and inverse this gap, like I wouldn't be surprised if we ran it now, like ran it then. Like it's just crazy, bro. I knew the second I trailed, I was getting cooked. As soon as I saw that this 1 minute wick, as soon as I saw this candle, I knew it was over, bro. I knew it was over. Yeah, it is fucking around right now. It might wait till, I mean, we have news in like 3 minutes. It might wait for that, or we'll see. It's honestly so crazy we didn't deliver to that low. Like, there's no reason why it shouldn't have delivered there, in my opinion. I still think it does get the low. A 4-hour S&T? Yeah, I guess. We may. News in a minute and a half. 1 minute left till news. All right. 5 seconds. Let's see. All right. Let's see what we got. Where's Caitlin? I'm not sure. I don't know if she's going to be streaming anymore. To be honest, she might be done streaming. I know she wanted to focus on like her Discord and stuff, so I think she might be done. Listen, I don't care where we go. I just want us to move somewhere. At this point, preferably lower, but take anything. We have an SMT at this high so far. Probably gets ran right now, to be honest, but okay, SMT is broken. Still inside of this 15-minute gap. We're inside of this 30-minute gap as well. Look how the 30-minute bodies respected weekly open. Definitely something to look out for. Damn, straight ripping. Right around the golden pocket area. Let's see what happens here. What equal highs? I think the ones that already got ran. I think that's probably what you're talking about. Not 8:15. Yeah, I mean today would be wild, but yeah, I wanted that to happen eventually. The 4-hour equal highs, they did look nice. I would want to see us get a pullback a little bit into this 1-minute gap, see if anything happens in there. Retesting previous day close on ES. See, maybe that was just manipulation for us to go lower. In a 3-minute gap here. Digging into that 3-minute here. Looks like we rejected the golden pocket initially. Could just be a 5-minute retrace though. Let's see. Or do we actually want lower? I mean, if this 3-minute gets completely flipped, I mean, that wouldn't be the worst. Let's see. We might want to go higher here. Maybe we make a next leg up. Or do we come down, flip this gap? Just tap that 1-minute gap. See if it gives us a reaction lower, or if we inverse it and make the next leg higher. Price is literally just consolidating right in this area, doing a whole lot of nothing. Want to see it do something. If it breaks lower here, then okay, maybe we could potentially look for shorts. If not, we look for longs. Did we form? Yeah, we formed a 5-minute gap, tapped into it, but it doesn't look too promising so far. Would want to see 1 minute like displacement out of it. All right, see if this 1 minute candle closure does, if anything. Maybe it gives us an inverse to work with. Otherwise, we're just chopping around. Yeah, this price action's booty. If we close below this like 10 a.m. candle, like volume imbalance, shorts might work. I don't know. I still really thought the previous day low would have been the draw. You'd have to inverse the 5 as well, but we just tapped equilibrium as well. Maybe that provides us with a reaction. Let's see. It's putting me to sleep, bro. I mean, at this point, it looks like doesn't. I mean, I don't know. I really don't even know, to be honest with you. We're at equilibrium of that new range. So far, it hasn't looked like it wants to bounce and go higher. Stuck right in the middle. Maybe it provides us a reaction higher here, and see. I just want price to literally do anything. Just move somewhere, pick a direction, and go. I personally, I want to see the relative equal lows get hit. Like they're stacked, previous day low, below for ES. Like personally, I rather that, but you already did get a retrace, you know. So I don't know. Look at this, literally doing nothing. Yeah. You think it's bad I've been trying to get a payout on this one XFA for 3 months? Yeah, you should probably, I don't know, your strategy maybe is not working. You may have to figure something out that works for you. I'm not really sure. If you're not journaling, I definitely recommend journaling. That will help you a lot. I saw Tradefy's new accounts. They're cool, but like the payout caps are like very, very low, like very low. So it's like, I don't know. For me, I don't think I would buy them unless I just throw them in a stack that I already have that's pretty strong. But like, I don't really have much of a stack right now. Yeah, there's not much to target to the upside. I agree with you, but who knows? Usually, all the dips recently have just been getting all bought up. You know, dip, bought up, dip, bought up, dip, bought up, dip. So we'll see. Like I said, personally, I much rather price go lower, but that doesn't mean anything. Like price doesn't go where I want it. I just feel like there's way clearer targets. But it just looks like a slow grind higher. I don't know. I'm not convinced on this. 3K per account is low for you? I mean, I guess that's not bad. Yeah, we're probably going to go run higher here, unless this is just some sort of fake out. How much do you have to make? Is it like, do you have to make 6K to withdraw the 3K? Is that how it is, Will, for the new accounts? It's not your strat, your psych. Yeah, I mean, at least you know what the problem is. That's step one. You got to understand what your problem is. Step two is start taking action towards it, right? Yeah, journaling does help. Like, take screenshots of your trades, put them in, and then journal your thought process, like before the trade, during the trade, how you felt emotionally, and everything like that. And make sure it's in detail, because realistically, if you don't detail, like if you don't journal the details, you're really just like, you're only harming yourself, right? There's no point of you holding back. It's your journal. Obviously, you don't want to like rip yourself apart, but you have to take accountability too. You want to use positive reinforcement, but you also need to take accountability for where you go wrong and accept where you go wrong and figure out where you go wrong. That is definitely important. This is honestly just freaking crazy how shit price action is, bro. You've been recording them? That's good. Put that in your journal. Put those recordings in your journal, or just like rewatch those and stuff. It's good. Wow. I did want to see price fall there. That's crazy. Guess it does not want lower. I mean, wow, that's kind of crazy. Guess it doesn't want higher, huh? That's what it seems like. Do I take at least one trade a day? Usually, something like that. You have to somehow, I forget how to do it, Wizards of Wall Street, but you have to link them somehow. One would think we probably go higher here, right? But probably not. It's just a shit show right now. Good. All right. I'm glad we were able to find it. Like, where does price even want to go at this point? Like, genuinely. Because this is just crazy. We're just straight up chopping. I mean, maybe conditions clear up in a couple minutes, but like, gosh. I still think it wants to go higher, but like, this is kind of crazy, bro. This honestly just doesn't. This is just terrible conditions. I mean, it is what it is. Like, you fuck around in these conditions, you find out. I found out today. I traded in these conditions, didn't trade well, got clapped. Um, yeah, this is pretty brutal. Can't lie. It is what it is. Yeah, I just want to see anything, bro. I just like it doesn't even matter. I just want to see some like anything for him. Like I still wanted to see like on the 1 hour. It's like yeah, we're bouncing, but I still wanted to see us, maybe make a move lower. Like previous day low looked like the draw at least for ES. Like oops, like we're coming down for it, right? It looked like it. We're bouncing off this like daily order block, weekly open. So I guess maybe it wants to move higher, but I mean. Looks like we're about to put in an S&T. If then Q takes out this low, looks like ES probably going to hold it. If we even take it out on NQ. Um, um, okay. Um, okay. Not really sure what that was. I don't know. I don't know what that was. I don't. I mean, maybe that's the sweep. Maybe that's the liquidity sweep. The liquidity sweep. Right? Maybe it is. Maybe we sweep. We fucking flip this gap. Triple equal lows is break even. Target previous day low. Shit the bed. Or we just climb higher. But could have just been a liquidity sweep. Bounce off equilibrium again though. So I would love for price to come down and just start dumping. Like I'm not kidding. I would love for it to just start dumping. I don't think it's going to, but I would love it. I love when price dumps, not gonna lie. I like trading lower way more. Because when we flush, we flush. Like damn. Okay. Like, all right. Was that the liquidity sweep? Or is that, are we moving higher? Hopefully it was the liquidity sweep and we freaking flush this. Yeah, I think the triple equal lows look so freaking clean. Like, I don't know, man. I don't even know what price is doing. It can just go either way. I don't know. Yeah, it just needs to fucking pick a way. Just fucking pick one. I don't give a shit. Just fucking pick a direction. Honestly. Just I prefer down doesn't mean shit. I will take the longs if we get a good long setup. Like if we tap into this gap, 1 minute gap, solid reaction, boom, I'll long it. I will. But I rather lower. I rather us flush this motherfucker like all the way down. Small volume imbalance here being respected. Come on, do something. Just fucking pick a direction. Damn it. I want to see it push higher from here. Just at least the previous day close at midnight on ES, but that's just insane, bro. Bro, oh my god, bro. Tapping into that 1 minute gap now. $837. Nice. Yeah, longs would have been nice if we did get SMT there, but price is just being ass today, bro. Seriously, it's just being fucking awful. We inversed on NQ, but not ES, so sketchy there. These are the days that test your patience. Yes, for sure. And we tapped into the 1 minute gap, the 2 minute gap, the 3 minute gap. Those triple eagle lows are just screaming at me though. Like, I don't know. Like, I want us to get a setup for it. Like, knowing us, we're just going to spike down and get it if we do get them. Otherwise, we would just leave them. Like, I don't even know. Should see it just go higher now, I would assume. Like, it doesn't make any sense. I'm just shocked that it's not like making that move higher, just like spiking higher at this point or something, or like anything, bro. It's gonna come lower now, probably. Unbelievable, honestly. You could just short the top of the ranges and then freaking long the bottom of the ranges, and you'll just be making money. Honestly, it's kind of crazy. This tiny 1 minute gap here on NQ, maybe that does something. Like, I don't even know at this point. If it wants to, it should just, like, we tap it, we should just run. We should spike higher now. Like, but it's just, there's nothing. It just can't do it. They don't want to do it. It's insanity. It really is. Right? Like, there's no reason why it shouldn't spike here. Right? Now there's an SMT. We're probably not going to get followed through. We're probably just going to come down lower now. Watch. Even though we tap the gap, and everything. There it is. See? Take the high, SMT, bring it back lower instead of just running the highs. Like, I don't know. See? Crazy stuff, man. Like, this is This is really the days you don't want to be trading at all. Like if you're green or break even here, I'm not going to lie, honestly, get off the charts. Like genuinely get off the charts. Like you'll save yourself so much mental and actual capital. Like I would seriously get off the charts if you're green or break even. Honestly, even if you're not even in a trade, I would get off the charts too. Like I'm being so serious. Yeah, there's the S&T, nasty, and they bring it back lower. Shit's disgusting, honestly. Absolutely disgusting. Like, there's no reason why, if it wants to go higher, why it shouldn't here, right? Or if it wants to go lower, why it shouldn't here with the S&T put in place now. Like, just go somewhere, you know? I don't even care where at this point. Just freaking move. Like the chart looks like it wants higher a little bit, but it's like I feel like if it wanted it, it would have got it or it would have went higher already. So now it's like, all right, we have the S&T finally. We have some sort of S&T. Maybe it wants to go lower. So there's nothing clear at all. That's the problem. It's like 1 second, one thing looks good if it happens, and then the next second, like something else looks well. Actually, nothing looks good, but it's more so 1 second you think one thing's going to happen, and then the next you think the other's going to happen. It's like that's the problem. That's literally the definition of like low probability conditions. That's what I'm saying. If you're not in a trade right now, get off the charts. Like save yourself. Seriously. Like you'll thank yourself later. Have a good one. Have a good one. Take care. Enjoy the time off the charts. Trust. This is insanity. Straight insanity. They ain't gonna do shit. This is just another wick. Watch. Act like they're gonna run a higher. It's gonna shoot right back down. Watch. And right back down. See? Insanity. Seriously. I should deadass have been scalping both sides of the range, up and down, up and down, up and down. Could have made money doing that today, I'll tell you that. That's about it. Or longing and just holding with a wide stop. I mean, like, how much tighter could this range get? Technically, a 30-second or a 1 minute S&T there. We took out the previous candle low and on NQ, but not on ES. But I mean, that just doesn't mean anything. All right. Well. All right, I'm just gonna get off here. This is just stupid, and I'm done trading. So, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.